नाजरीन, आप देख रहे हैं रियासत का मशहूर व मकबूल यूट्यूब चैनल बज़्म आईना। वकील साहब पोस्ट सैयद कुदरतुल्लाह क़ादरी वकील साहब एक बार फिर करनूल की अहम ख़बर के साथ आपके रूबरू हाजिर है। ख़बर यह है कि शहर करनूल की मशहूर शख्सियत मरहूम जनाब अब्दुल वहाब ख़ान की दुख्तर अलीज़ाई फ़रहाना ख़ातून इन दिनों इंटरनेशनल इंडियन स्कूल जिद्दा में बतौर टीचर की हैसियत से काम कर रही हैं। आज सितंबर 5 है तो जिद्दा में भी टीचर्स डे मनाया गया। इस मौके पर अलीज़ाई फ़रहाना ख़ातून ने बेहतरीन स्पीच दी। आप जानते हैं कि फ़रहाना ख़ातून अलीज़ाई कोई तारुफ़ की मोहताज नहीं है। उन्होंने सेंट जोसेफ में टीचर्स की हैसियत से अपने ख़िदमात अंजाम दिए और हाजिरा कॉलेज में जो उन्होंने ख़िदमात अंजाम दिए हैं उसे कोई भी फरामोश नहीं कर सकता। उनके ख़िदमात के इवज़ आज सैकड़ों बच्चे जो है अपना मुस्तक़बिल बनाए बैठे हैं और बहुत सारे ख़ानदान उनके लिए खुसूसी दुआ कर रहे हैं। मुख्तसर ये है कि इंटरनेशनल इंडियन स्कूल जिद्दा में जो टीचर्स डे मनाया गया उस मौके पर फ़रहाना ख़ातून अलीज़ाई मैडम ने बेहतरीन स्पीच दी है। तो हम आपसे ख्वाहिश करते हैं कि ये मुकम्मल स्पीच आप सुने, और अगर आप हमारे चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें, बेल बटन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियोस आप तक बआसानी से दस्तयाब हो सके।
A teacher affects eternity. They can never tell where their influence stops. Assalamu alaikum and good evening to everyone. Respected Principal Dr. Muhammad Imran, esteemed Chairman Dr. Muhammad Salim, Dr. Farheen, Member of the Managing Committee, VPs and HMs of various blocks, school officials and learned colleagues. Today is a special day that fills my heart with pride, gratitude and a deep sense of responsibility. Teachers' Day is not just a celebration. It's a powerful reminder of the impact we make every single day in the lives of our students and in shaping the very fabric of our society. Please remember, only the brave choose to teach. As a teacher, speaking to fellow educators, I understand the quiet sacrifices we make, the long hours, the missed breaks, the emotional labor, and the ever-growing administrative tasks. But beyond all of that, we carry something incredibly powerful, the ability to transform lives with knowledge, encouragement, patience, and compassion. We don't just teach subjects, we teach curiosity, courage, and character. We may not wear crown, but to many students, we are their heroes and heroines. And while we may not always see the result of our work immediately, there comes a moment, sometimes years later, when a student remembers something we said, something we did, that shifted their perspective or changed their path. In that moment, every sleepless night, every extra effort becomes completely worth it. Remember, a good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. Let us all take a moment to honor the teachers who shaped us, those who kindled in us a love for learning, who recognized our potential within us even before we recognized it ourselves. Today is a tribute to our teachers as much as it is to us. To mark this day, I would like to share a short poem I wrote as a heartfelt tribute to all of us. At IISJ, each lesson is a cherished art where we nurture souls and uplift the heart. Together we traverse each arduous climb, cultivating dreams beyond the bounds of time. I teach by choice, not fate's mere chance. a sculptor of mind in knowledge dance. Years later, when alumni return, their gratitude's flame does warmly burn. No educator like you, they confess, mentors who shape their future with unwavering hearts. We ease their fears, guardians of hope across the years, protector, guide, and sincere friend. We cradle futures we hold dear. Dear colleagues, on this Teachers' Day, let us not only celebrate our noble profession, but also recommit ourselves to it. With renewed energy, compassion, and purpose, let us support one another, grow together, and continue to be the kind of teacher that students carry in their hearts long after they leave our classrooms. And while we continue to give our best, driven by our passion and dedication, it's also true that hope sustains life. We move forward in our teaching journey with the hope that the value of our service will be acknowledged in tangible ways. For over a decade, we have patiently awaited a revision in our pay scales, a revision long overdue. Today, we find a renewed sense of hope, a belief that those in authority will recognize our unwavering commitment and will act with empathy and justice to enhance our salaries accordingly. We are not just educators, we are nation builders. We hope that our service, dedication, and patience will be honored in a way that allows us to continue our work with dignity, motivation, and financial security. Thank you, and once again, happy Teachers' Day to all of you with a positive response from the higher authority.
Thank you, Mrs. Farana. That was an incredible speech. Thank you for sharing your wisdom, experience, and heartfelt reflections, which has added immense value to the program. Thank you once again.